Go.
Today we are going to be trying to learn how to do if you're left-handed, you can go this way and do I'm right-handed.
Can you start here and go that way so that I can see what you're doing a little better? Yeah. Okay.
So we are going to be learning how to do that. And what I mean by that is start by doing this. Now once you practice this, do this. Now once you're done with this, do this. And then once you get to learn how to ride, like this. When you're going, do this. That's how you do it. And how
You gonna do it one more time?
I'm gonna do tail whip.
Okay, do a tail whip.
So if you're ever practicing a tail whip, you can go like this. Practice doing this a lot. And then you guys can start riding it like this and going and jumping and doing that. And when you're done with that, put this in front and go like this without your feet. And then once you're able to ride, you go in Rabona. Like this is a Rabona. And Rabona, your scooter like this. You jump off at the same time, and soon you'll be able to go in the air. I am going to show you guys how to do a bunny hop. A bunny hop helps you to do any type of trick in the world.
Okay.
So then you can learn how to do it. You ready? I did not do that right. So you'll be able to learn how to do this and ride like this. So just like and once you master that, you're going to be able to go.
All right, let's wrap it up.
Bye guys, I want 99 views. So what I mean 99 views, I want 99 comments, I want 100 followers. Bye.